Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD and at overbought levels with the RSI. We are encountering temporary resistance with the 200 moving average, this green line at the price of $2.61. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we are slightly in negative MACD territory, but we're approaching to positive MACD. And as we extend out to the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD. And for support, that'll be where you have the 150 moving average, this red line, at a price of $2.42. And as for resistance, that'll be where you encounter the highs made back in January 12th at the price of $2.90. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 11.4%, and to test support, that is around 7.1% to the downside. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size is less than 1% in my portfolio. My long entry is at $8.16, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $9.53. My stop loss is at $7.69. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $9.86, and that is this range here. My seller target for it is at $8.68, and my stop loss is at $10.22. So whichever entry price were to hit, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 62% chance for natural gas to climb between 0 to 9.4% and an 8% chance to climb between 19% to 29%, and to the downside, a 31% chance to fall between 0 to negative 9.4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.